What is this and why is it on my kid's homework? In this video, I'm going to go over this math manipulative, what it's called, what it's used for, and how you can help your child with their homework assignment with it. All right, this could be called multiple different things. It could be a Rekenrek, a number rack, or a number rod. All right, so to use this, what we're going to do is we're going to slide the disc to the left. And on the left side, we're going to try to figure out how many discs we have, but we're going to do this without counting them individually. So the idea is we want to look for groups, look for patterns, and that's why we have them in groups of 5, and we have them in different colors, red and white. Because what we want to do is we want to use this concept of subitizing. And subitizing is the ability to immediately recognize a number of items or dots without needing to stop and count the individual items. So what we don't want to do is just count one by one each disc. We want to try to look for patterns, look for ways that we can group it together to get what the sum is. All right, so after the discs are slid to the left, what we want to do is we want to figure out what the sum of the discs are on the left-hand side. One student might see this as 4 red plus 5 red plus 2 white equals 11. One student might see a grouping of 4 red to give 8, and then a red and 2 white, so 3 to equal 11. And then another student might see this, well, there's one less red that slid over, and we know there's 10 total red. So 10 minus 1 is 9, plus the 2 white equals 11. So there's multiple solutions that a student can come up with. Here's another example. And in this example, there's 4 different solutions that are all valid based on the different groups that you can see on there. So one of the reasons I made this video was finding this post online where a parent didn't understand how to do this problem, what their student did wrong, and it looks like their student counted all the discs on there instead of just the discs on the left-hand side. So the whole idea of this subitizing is to learn number sense and to figure out patterns and grouping, and it could lead to a good lead into being able to do things in their head and also with multiplication. All right, so I hope this video maybe helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.